Hello everyone, it's Nurse Priska here today. So in today's video, I am going to be telling us what your vaginal discharges has to say about your health. See, every normal woman, every healthy woman notices or has vaginal discharges. Of course, you can agree with me. So what is vaginal discharge? A vaginal discharge is a fluid that is secreted by the uterus, the vagina, and the cervix. And then the work of vaginal discharges is to lubricate your vagina, to keep it clean, and also to help prevent infections. Now, there are different types of vaginal discharges. So vaginal discharge can either be white, milkish white, it can be red, it can be brownish, you see. But so far as it is not itchy, so far as your vaginal discharge is not smelling badly, then you are good to go. So before I continue into the video, I am going to be telling us the characteristics or how to know that your vaginal discharge is normal. My name is Priska. I am a registered nurse. I live and I practice in the UK. My channel is all about nursing. I give health tips and I create health awareness as well. I want to thank in a special way my new and returning subscribers. Thank you very much. And if this is your first time of seeing my face, kindly do well to subscribe to my channel. Follow my page as well. Okay, so let's dive into the video. So the characteristics of knowing a normal vaginal discharge. Number one, it must be clear, whitish or milky whitish in color. Number two, every vagina has a smell that is not offensive. Yes, the vagina is not free of smell. It doesn't smell like perfume. It doesn't smell like Smart Collection. So every vagina has its own unique smell, but that smell is not or should not be offensive. So this is how to know a normal vaginal discharge. So your ability to know your vaginal discharge, your ability to track yourself, your ability to know when your vaginal discharge is changing, both in consistency, in quantity, and also in color, makes you proactive. Okay, so let us dive into the different types of vaginal discharge. Number one, when your vaginal discharge is white. If you notice that your vaginal discharge at this moment is white, it's fine, it is normal. So far as it doesn't smell badly, so far as it is not itchy, then it is perfect. It is normal for you. It is normal. But then if at any point you find out that your vaginal discharge looks like cottage cheese and it is smelly and that your vagina is itchy, then know that you may have gotten candidiasis or otherwise called yeast infection. Then you need to follow it up, find out what is going on in your body. Number two, when your vaginal discharge is clear and stretchy. So there is a time in every woman's life when your vaginal discharge is clear and stretchy. Now what that means is that you are ovulating or you are approaching ovulation. Secondly, you might be sexually excited, of course, because there are people who, when they are sexually excited, when in the mood to have sex, the vaginal discharge is clear and stretchy. So your ability to know what the mood is, whether you're ovulating or whether you're sexually excited, that is it. Part three, when your vaginal discharge is red or brownish in color. Of course, we all know that when every woman's vaginal discharge is red, she's menstruating. It is time for her periods, all right? She's having her periods. And then when her vaginal discharge is brownish, that means that she has menstruated or her period is over and the old blood is coming out. After menstruation, your body has to get rid of all the blood. So when you see brownish discharge, that's the old blood coming out. That's your body cleansing out the old blood from your body. Okay, so you know that the red blood is for menstruation and then the brown blood is as a result of the old blood that the body is trying to take out. Number 4 is when your vaginal discharge is gray in color. Normally, like I said, I've told us the characteristics of a normal vaginal discharge. Now, when you find out that your vaginal discharge is grayish in color, of course, you know that it is not normal. Grayish vaginal discharge simply indicates that you've got bacterial vaginosis. Your vaginal discharge smells like fish. It has a very strong fish smell. Your vagina is itchy, and then there is redness of your vagina in a hole. Your vagina can even be swollen. So when you observe this grayish discharge with all the smell and with all the symptoms I've outlined, please kindly go to the doctor, kindly go for a lab test, kindly go check up yourself. All right. Number 5 is when your vaginal discharge is yellow or greenish in color. It might be that you've got a sexually transmitted disease called trichomoniasis. And then this trichomoniasis is accompanied by foul smell, and then there is changes in your vaginal discharge. So when you observe that your vaginal discharge is yellowish or greenish in color, please, you have to report to the doctor. You have to tell your healthcare provider to follow it up as well. Number 6 is when your vaginal discharge is pink or pinkish in color. Of course, when your vaginal discharge is pinkish in color, it is either you're spotting or something called implantation bleeding. You know, when a woman is newly pregnant, the fetus has to engage into the uterus where the baby will start to grow. So that process of implantation can cause little spotting, and it can come out as a pinkish discharge. So when you see this type of thing, just don't be alarmed, okay? So some other things that can cause pinkish discharge is ovulation, or sometimes after sexual activities when there is slight tears to your vagina. So it is now left for you to know what is actually causing it. But if you feel that it is something that is reoccurring over and over and over again, please also make yourself known to your healthcare provider. So having given us this topic today, having given us this awareness, I believe from now we should be very observant of our body and know what is going on, and also to know when our body has deviated from normalcy. If you have watched this video to this extent, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my page, like and comment on this video as well. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.